Assalamu alaikum everybody. Hi everybody, how's my YouTube family doing? My name is Nazima. If you're new here, please like and subscribe to my channel if this is your kind of thing. I'm back to UK now, guys. I was in Pakistan for 6 weeks and I hope you enjoyed my vlogs as well, guys. Obviously this is a couple of days after I've come back. I've been to work as well. In this video you'll see me getting back into my routine again, eating what I missed the most, drinking what I wanted to drink, like coffee, like Greg's, and you know, whatever I missed you'll see in this video. I've just started the morning. It's my day off today. I started the morning just to change my bed sheets, do a bit of vacuuming, do a bit of a spring clean. Obviously I haven't videoed everything what I'm doing, but you can see bits and bobs of it. I hope everyone's okay. A couple of days after this is going to be Ramadan, so you'll see some of my Ramadan iftari as well. So yeah, so I'm a bit late this year. Obviously I wasn't prepared. I'm not prepared for Ramadan, so I'm not going to do a full, you know, Ramadan vlog or anything, but you'll see bits and bobs of me doing iftari here and there with family. I hope everyone's okay and I hope you enjoy this video, guys.
It's nice. Yeah, I like it.
Happy Ramadan, everybody. Ramadan Mubarak. I hope this month brings you peace and whatever you're looking for in life, inshallah, and Allah blesses you and your family. These are actually talking parrots, guys. They said goodbye to me, but I'm trying to video it, but they're not doing it now, obviously, because I'm making a film, so they're not going to do it now, are they? But they do say hello and goodbye. That's what I phoned to tell you.
Oh no! Oh yeah, I didn't know you was going. I'm glad I've got Friday because I always wanted the Friday.
My next vlog that I'm going to do next week, or maybe the week after, is probably going to be about Eid. Hopefully probably end of Ramadan and Eid, guys. So I hope you enjoy this vlog. Just please like and subscribe to my channel if it's your kind of thing. If it's not, then that's fine, no problem. But you guys take care, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Allah Hafiz.